right, guys. So, I have just finished posting a short and everything to go on YouTube, and I'm actually installing Caden Live right now. And installing Caden Live, it actually asked me for something that I find a little interesting, and I wanted to show you guys. So let's scroll up here through all of this. Yeah, so I'm not going to be able to get back up to the output that it was giving me, but I will go ahead and show you some like of what it was like. So essentially, it was telling me that media dash libs slash, no, this is not it right here, but my output was telling me media dash libs slash OpenCV needed something, the required use flag. It was telling me um, it was contrib. It needed contrib in parentheses here. If you ever get this kind of issue on Gentoo and it's telling you, required use flags are not met, what it's telling you is whatever it's showing you here, whatever package that is, just go into your package.use. You can see I actually made it here. Portage package.use. And if we go OpenCV, you just need to give it whatever it's asking for, and then it'll build. Just in case you ever have a required use flag thing in Gentoo, hopefully this will just be a little video to help you solve it. Again, a quick Google can also fix it, but hey, if you're already on YouTube, you have the issue, here's someone telling you how to fix it. Hopefully this helps. I hope you have a good one. I have links to my Patreon and everything down below. I'll try and throw up a screen, but if I don't, I have some absolutely fantastic patrons who I probably will miss someone here, but I'm gonna try and name them off the top of my head. Russell Willis, Seneca, Art Center, Joshua Lee, Papa Smurf, and I don't know if I'm missing someone else other than Matt from the Linux cast, but I think that's everybody. I really hope I didn't miss anyone, because that's, I don't want to make you feel bad because I have shit memory, but whatever. I think I covered everyone. If you want to go join them, the links will be down in the description. If you enjoyed the video, or you found it helpful, hit the like button, consider subscribing. I post videos nerdy like this all the time, so maybe you'll like them. I hope you have a good one. Take care. Bye-bye.